We're inside Sydney's crash test lab, where we are about to witness the first crash test in Australia of a car equipped with a centre airbag between the front seats. In a few moments, a crash test rig weighing 1,400 kilograms will run into this Isuzu D-Max at 60 kilometres an hour. It's designed to find out how well the curtain airbags and the centre airbag protect occupants in such a severe crash. The requirements to earn a 5-star safety rating are tougher than ever before, after the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, or ANCAP, added new criteria for 2020. The all-new Isuzu D-Max is the first vehicle of any type assessed in Australia based on the new standards. All up, 8 vehicles are crashed or assessed by ANCAP for occupant protection at or above 50 kilometres an hour. We got a rare behind-the-scenes look at a side impact test inside Sydney's crash lab. A range of tests, striking vehicles front and side, are designed to assess the level of occupant protection offered by front, side and now centre airbags. The new D-Max has 8 airbags to protect front and rear occupants, but the big change is the centre airbag embedded in the inboard cushion of the driver's seat. The centre airbag deploys during a severe side impact to stop front seat occupants from slamming into each other to avoid life-threatening injuries. Centre airbags are viewed as one of the final advancements in technology when it comes to occupant protection in cars. Testing by ANCAP showed the 2021 Isuzu D-Max earned a 5-star rating after exceeding the criteria in key areas such as occupant protection, cyclist and pedestrian safety, and advanced assistance tech. It may be the first ute with all these advanced features, but you can expect to see technology like this on most new models in the coming years. Well, the airbags have done their job and increased the chances of survival in a severe crash. However, protecting occupants during a crash is only one part of modern safety criteria. Authorities can now test how well a vehicle and its advanced safety systems can prevent a crash from happening in the first place. To see how it's done, we got a sneak peek at how ANCAP simulates real-world driving scenarios and how it puts advanced safety tech through its paces using robotics. Welcome to Central Western New South Wales, the location of Australia's first dedicated testing facility for autonomous emergency braking and crash avoidance technology. To test the latest advanced safety systems, Australia now has robotic cars and robotic controls to assess autonomous emergency braking systems, as well as a car's ability to detect cyclists and pedestrians. A former regional airport runway west of Orange in New South Wales has been overhauled and refurbished, so Australian crash test authorities can assess automated safety systems in a controlled environment and to world-class standards. The new Isuzu D-Max was one of the first vehicles to undergo dynamic testing of advanced safety aids in Australia. In addition to being able to prevent a rear-end crash at 50 kilometres an hour if the driver isn't paying attention, ANCAP also tests blind zone warning systems, lane keeping and lane wander prevention technology, as well as cyclist and pedestrian detection, day and night. The test rig is in the shape of a small hatchback, but in fact it is a remote control sled with a covered frame. It's designed to be easy to repair if the car being tested does not hit the brakes in time. To make sure there is no driver error, the car being tested is also driven by robotics, although there is a human behind the wheel, just in case. The 2021 Isuzu D-Max performed well in these groundbreaking tests. ANCAP praised the company for fitting every piece of advanced safety technology as standard on every model in the range, from the cheapest to the dearest. The result makes the new D-Max the first ute globally to be tested against the newer, tougher criteria, making it the safest ute on sale in Australia today. Other cars with a 5-star rating from several years ago would likely not get a 5-star score if reassessed against today's more stringent criteria. Although ANCAP does not have the power to ban cars from sale in Australia, and its star ratings are not a legal requirement, the not-for-profit organisation funded by state and federal governments and other agencies has become the default crash test safety authority for government and business fleets, as well as private buyers. Prior to ANCAP, car buyers had no way of knowing how the crash safety of vehicles compared to others. However, Since pioneering crash safety scores in 1993, ANCAP has assessed and built up a catalogue of safety ratings for more than 500 new and used cars. Be sure to check the safety rating and the safety features of your next car before you buy. To see more videos like this, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future car advice content.